Well, around about this time, we normally catch up with our chef, Gavin Forman. Now, he is currently enjoying a European vacation. Well done to him. But he thought, you know what? We still need to keep the idea of talking about food and discussing recipes alive. So, in Gav's absence, he has appointed one of his other chefs that joins him weekly, Lucas Munro. And Lucas, thank you for filling in for Gav. I must say that you've started out right. There is nothing raw here. There's no seafood here.
There is not.
This is nice. This is a safe zone for me. A nice little pasta dish.
I'm being kind to you this week.
That's good. That's good.
2 weeks might be different.
It could be. Who knows what'll be here next week, mate? But just take us through your mushroom pesto pasta. And I mean, for most people, we just love a decent pasta meal.
It's one of those dishes, isn't it? Really, like just one of those sort of things that's just comforting.
I'm going to start, by the way, so I can give
go
my
ahead.
appraisal.
Go ahead. It's just one of those things that colder weather just gives you that nice, warm, comforting feeling. For me, it reminds me of my younger days and being with mum. So,
and food is like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
As I've just come back from a couple of bites there, I mean, different meals can mean certain things to us because it might have been something that you had as a kid, or you might have associate some really good experiences with certain meals.
Yep.
Some bad ones as well, maybe.
There's been plenty of those over the years, definitely.
But I mean, take us through this particular recipe and mushrooms, all of that. So take us through what you've done for us today.
Very basic, something you can easily do at home. We do this at work, actually, where we're at. So, again, onions, garlic, sauteed off beautifully. Add your little bit of white wine just to deglaze it, add a little bit of flavour to that. You want to cook off your pasta beforehand and let that cool, but in the meantime, pesto, plenty of flavour there with your pine nuts and parmesan cheeses and things like that. So, and obviously semi-dried tomatoes, you can't go wrong.
No, look, very, very nice Italian meal that you made for us today.
Exactly.
There really are no excuses, Lucas, for us these days to not be handy at home. I mean, in the old days, we could say, well, look, I don't know anything about cooking. I'm not, I'm hopeless in the kitchen, whatever.
Yep.
But with all the resources we've got these days, I mean, it's so easy that we all should be able to have a few dishes that we can just, pump out, even if it's just us at home.
Yeah, Google's right there.
Absolutely.
So,
mate, look, this is fantastic. I mean, like I said, I had a couple of bites of this already, so it looks pretty good. It's fantastic. And again, nice and easy. And again, how long preparation time on this?
Oh, look, probably the longest thing is the pasta. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. That's usually
Small
about it.
preparation
So, yeah,
time. There's a win right there.
Easy, quick, done, out the door, ready to roll.
All right, Lucas Munro, thanks for this. It saves me having to buy lunch today, so
Not a
there's a
problem.
win right there. And we'll catch up with you next time, all right?
Lovely. Look forward to it.
There is our chef covering for our other chef, Gavin Forman, Lucas Munro, right here at 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.